We'll begin by just settling into the sound and sensation of the breath. And as we do so, we allow the body to continue to make some adjustments, noticing where and how we might need to support ourselves, align our spine, and invite ease. As we continue to settle into the natural ebb and flow of the breath, I'll ring the gong a few times to ground us, allowing the sound of the gong to hold you just as you invite Mother Earth to hold you. Softening in the face, the forehead, the scalp, noticing the mask and where we might be holding. Allowing the shoulders to soften away from the ears. And following that waterfall of relaxation. Observing the spine. Observing the arms. Observing the hands. Noticing how the leg bones are resting upon the earth here. And continuing to observe the natural ebb and flow of the breath. Each breath an opportunity to become aware of the muscular tension that might remain in the body. Trusting our bones to hold us and expressing gratitude for the strength of our spine. We invite a sense of hollowness into the space from the crown of the head to the base of the spine. We observe the flow of the breath and the way that energy flows along with that natural rise and fall of the breath. And bringing our attention to the top of the head, allowing for that flow of energy to rise to the top of the head. Observing a sense of expansion at the top of the head. and experiencing a subtle tingle there as the crown chakra expands and the flow of the breath extends upward. As that breath and prana extend upward, it connects to the light of your higher self, existing in a ball of light, a star, naturally receiving your attention. And the attention is reciprocal as the light of the star flows naturally down into the crown of your head. Relaxing to receive this light. Nothing to do but welcome it and observe as it lights up the various energy centers in the body. Relaxing to receive this light. Charging up in the light of your higher self, welcoming it with love and gratitude, receiving your higher self and the flow of energy that so effortlessly makes its way down through the crown of the head and flowing all the way through the body, down into the earth through the perineum, Muladhara chakra, and flooding the earth herself with this light of your higher self. As the light expands beneath you, it rises up around you, holding you in a blanket of loving light, an embrace of your higher self, softening in the face, the shoulders, softening in the hands, the abdomen, and the pelvis. We allow for this waterfall of light to fill each nook and cranny of the body. Activating the 12 chakra system of our being. The higher self awakens. The Merkaba constellation of light, flickering lights spinning and expanding in the six-pointed star that represents our masculine and feminine nature in harmony and balance. Nothing to do here but receive the light and experience your expanded self. To receive the light and allow the portal of Ajna Chakra to open in pure receptivity. Resting in the loving light of your higher self, welcoming the quiet words of wisdom that arise, opening to the vastness of yourself. Expressing gratitude for this loving and light-filled experience with your higher self, acknowledging its presence in all times, even when we are not in this space of meditation. With deepest gratitude, we acknowledge the light that fills us with truth and wisdom beyond words. And bringing palms together to the heart space, we drop our chin towards our chest and take a breath into the back of the neck. Acknowledging our inner wisdom with gratitude for its guidance to this very point in time and space. May the long-time sun shine upon you. May all love surround you. And may the pure light within guide you all the way on. Namaste.